Hello friends, hope doing good. Today I'll show you how to cookie enable on your iPhone. Actually, I'll show you how to enable cooking on Safari browser. So if you want to enable cookie your Safari browser, you must be open Safari settings option. So first of all, you should go settings. Then you should find the Safari option. This is the Safari option. Then you look like going to advanced option. Actually, its feature UI depend on the your iOS version, also your iPhone model version. I'm using 14 Pro, so if you are using any other version, maybe it will be uh, different UI. So, but you when you go hit there, then you should look and find the cookie option. So there is not showing the cookie enable option. So if you don't see here, then you should go like advanced option. So here in showing like block all cookies, then you can just enable all cookie option. And if you want to just disable this, you can just disable all cookie option. So that's it. It is the pretty easy. And if you have face any problem, you just comment here. Then I will try to reply as soon as possible. Thanks for the watching.